Hey, welcome back everybody. This is Josh over at Lead and Iron with an unboxing video. I know I do a lot of unboxing videos, but I have purchased one of these before, but this is a different model. I should say I purchased from this company before. So, this is the Zhiyun Weebill Lab. And this is going to my new camera edition, the Sony A6600. So this is what gimbal this camera will be on. I like the crane too. It was a really good little piece, you know, and well built, good quality, and not a big price tag. So I said, you know what, I'm going to take another chance, and I don't know if I'm going to sell the last one, or keep it and use it for that camera. One thing I did learn though was plan for growth. So when I did this, I had planned just for my Canon M50, not realizing that I was going to get a second camera because I already knew. Anyway, nice little it's still foam, but nice little foam carrying case. It's just a box. Box is empty. Alright. Nice packaging. So I guess these unlock. Kind of cool. So you unlock. Those good Zhiyun logo in front. Still foam. Still nice though. Kind of nice to have to protect your stuff, you know. Pop it open and it comes packed beautifully. Did not know they had batteries, so the Weebill Lab has batteries. In case you guys are wondering. So yes. Alright, did we get a charger? Okay. Looks like it takes a USB Mini A, I think is what it's called. Something like that. Mini USB. How about that? Let's see what this is. Oh, okay, charging cables and stuff, and then I guess this really, you can connect this to your phone as well, which is kind of really exciting because I want to try that, and you can use that as a screen. So I said we have the batteries, the cables. This looks like a base for your camera. Has nice little rubber grips on it, so it doesn't scratch your equipment up. Everything's cut out for all the things that go with it, so that's nice. That's actually really nice. So you put your stuff back in. Here's the handle. That seconds as a tripod. That's nice. This looks like it goes to your camera, and it looks like this. So it slides back and forth on this here. This looks like this lets the base go in and out. Okay, so that this will go in and out. All right. There we go. Batteries, charger, and then the actual gimbal. Okay, this has a little bit of weight to it, but it's very well built. It feels really good in my hand. Really good in my hand. No problems whatsoever in holding it. I have big old like lunchbox hands, and my pinky doesn't hang off without using the extended handle gripper here. So it will be nice. You'll be able to take two hands if you want to, or this goes into this, and then you have to hold your camera from. Let's see how long this is. Alright. So it does give you a decent, length if you add that onto the bottom, or you just kick it out and you use it as your tripod. So it's a real nice feature. I like that it has like a built-in mini tripod, so you can quickly, pull the trigger on these and it turns towards you, and you have, like, you don't have to have it holding it while you're talking to it for a longer period of time. Next video I will do is balancing it. That's a little tricky, and I still don't know if I got it not close to perfect. So that should be a fun video to watch. So you have a locking mechanism here, and they're red, so that's how we'll know that they're locking. Here's another one on another motor right here, and the actual whole base is locked right there on the side. So 3 locking mechanisms, and I guess this is made to focus manually, and I think that's a really cool feature. So the Weebill Lab, so far, feels very well built. Everything is either aluminum. That's probably aluminum. Of course, this is plastic, but this base right here from this line is all aluminum. The screws are the only thing, well, the screw extenders, I guess, to help you turn, those are plastic, but everything else is aluminum. Like I said, feels very well built. I can't wait to take this out and see how well it performs, and then I also get to see myself using one of these, because we're going to get first person view of using this, so that will be pretty cool. So that was the unboxing of it. There really wasn't anything else from old, I guess, and I think this is all I had to. I hate doing that. I'm trying to save these. Yeah, this is just cellular, quick start instructions and stuff. So, yeah, join me on my next video where I, take this out and try to balance the camera and then get a few first shots with it. Again, thank you for joining me. Like, share, subscribe if you like, and my back hurts and I gotta go.